Turkey.
Dua akan dia kejeli ke bahia ke badang KMP harus sanspa sau pulai ngot ayu pilih ate yo pihak bersangsa din dua kidan ke bawah mana dia pam sawat untuk pam sawat ini hak dikumum sudah normal nama ketikan tidak kan makin rakyat isu ini kita nak tahu makin happen parlimen kita yo bantaran satya nama ka procedure hapo parlimen kadon dakaway kalenti angkom assembly ra motion kat bamban ra bill kat bamban ye kat bamban walk out kat bamban MP habis council dulu kunta ha parliamentarian.
Language is one of the important elements. For many years we've been demanding for the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule. I hope with the support of members that one day, just like while I was sitting here, from day one, hearing our friends speaking their own language, how I wish that one day, very soon, that you will also get to hear the language that I speak, the Khasi language. And I hope that the government, members in the opposition would support the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule.
Okay, sir.